Reasons behind the abrupt transfer of millions of XRP to Bitstamp. The outcome of the Ripple case is also something we'll discuss. Putin of Russia wants to establish a new global payment system, which, according to the founder of a capital venture firm, would be great for cryptocurrency. If you find this to be of interest, you should immediately begin watching his latest video. You found our channel, where we discuss XRP and other cryptocurrency news. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time. To ensure you never miss a video, we're announcing a 200 XRP prize on this channel and encouraging you to subscribe. If you want to give yourself a fighting chance, that is, subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video with the hashtag XRP will enter you to win a prize, which will be announced on December 15th. We'll move 30 million XRP to the EU-based Bitstamp crypto exchange less than an hour ago, according to the Whale Alert crypto tracking startup and an unnamed source. coinmarketcap.com reports that the XRP token's value has increased by almost 3% in the previous 24 hours. Find out who was responsible for bringing XRP to Bitstamp here. The wallet used to make the purchase was flagged as suspicious by the aforementioned blockchain monitor. Bynum, a site with an emphasis on XRP, reports that the money came from the BeGo. This cryptocurrency exchange and storage facility is the largest of its kind in the United States. Mike Novogratz, founder of Galaxy Digital and a former partner at Goldman Sachs, stated last year that he would be acquiring a large stake in a cryptocurrency exchange called BeGo. Novogratz, however, reversed course on the massive acquisition in the fall, months after it was first announced. David Goldstein, a well-known cryptocurrency enthusiast and businessman, frequently tweets his support for XRP. He went to Twitter to defend his prediction that Ripple will ultimately win in court against the SEC. The first was that the whole cryptocurrency industry would benefit from the certainty that would be provided by this triumph in terms of regulatory clarity. The SEC has been accused of a lack of regulatory clarity, notwithstanding recent lawsuits filed against Ripple and other cryptocurrency companies. The second is that Goldstein wants to show appreciation to the XRP army for sticking around while these two giants duke it out in court. The decision of the ongoing Ripple litigation, however, is eagerly awaited, and many positive predictions have been made about the crypto industry's reaction if Ripple is found to be in the right. Dan Gamber, founder of Crypto Capital Venture, thinks Dillo will have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency market as a whole. He then speculates that this turning point could signal the end of the bear market. Judge Torres's final ruling is expected today, as the deadline for replying to the requests for summary judgment has passed. BradGarlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is confident that the judge can make a judgment in the case without a jury. Garlinghouse claims that the judge, not a jury, will rule on the historic case. The sooner the lawsuit is settled, if this is the case. According to Garlinghouse, an answer will be found sometime in the first half of 2023. James K. Filling, the defense attorney, is aiming for a quicker time frame and has asked District Judge Torres to rule on the expert witness and summary judgment motions by March 31, 2023. We continue to have great hopes. There may be far-reaching repercussions for the Bitcoin market after the Ripple SEC lawsuit is resolved. Be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to our channel to be among the first to know about any new developments in the XRP litigation. Goldstein Media founder and one-time congressional candidate David Goldstein is certain that Ripple will prevail in its legal dispute with the SEC for two main reasons. This is great news for two reasons. First, the XRP community's hard work and perseverance will finally pay off in the form of clarity, and second, the community's efforts will be recognized. Although the cryptocurrency market as a whole has been gloomy in recent weeks, XRP has had a prolonged rally. The asset's value has increased significantly as a result of the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. But now the coin is experiencing heavy selling, and its market cap dropped by over $790 million in a day. As of November 30th, the market capitalization of all XRP in circulation was $19.29 billion, according to data from coinmarketcap.com. The asset's price has dropped about 5% to 39 cents as of the time this video was edited, reflecting the prevailing selling pressure. Although XRP has dropped in value in the short term, the weekly chart reveals that it has gained approximately 9%. Although the current market conditions are to blame for XRP's plummeting value, there's also a chance that buyers are taking advantage of the asset's recent upswing in value. The XRP community's hopes that the asset will regain the 50-cent level with an eye on $1 have been shattered as a result of the correction. It's also important to note that 38 cents has been a key resistance level, the breaking of which could trigger a price drop. If the bears were to gain more control over XRP, the token's price would likely drop to 35 cents. A summary of the daily gauges on Trading Perspective suggests a sell at 14, and moving averages suggest a strong sell at 12. This bearish technical analysis does not bode well for the tokens. Therefore, with a value of 8, oscillators are in a state of relative stability. At the same time that the cryptocurrency market as a whole is trying to recover from the FTX crypto exchange's collapse, the XRP token will be hoping for a lift from the ongoing SEC case. In recent months, the price of XRP has risen in response to Ripple's little successes. While the lawsuit is winding down, both sides should be actively looking for a settlement. If the tide turns in Ripple's favor, the XRP cryptocurrency will climb and have a multiplier effect on the market. In this way, the asset's social activity has recently increased, and the community's outlook remains positive. At the end of 2022, the CoinMarketCap community, led by Finn Bold, expects XRP to be worth 42 cents. Also, over the weekend, Russian President Vladimir Putin recommended to the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, the creation of a new global payment system based on the blockchain. According to Putin, the new system will operate independently from banks and other third parties and will use digital currency for all transactions. Russian President Vladimir Putin announced the new announcement at a Sberbank-sponsored AI conference. Mr. Putin has warned that the security of international financial transactions is at risk due to the current global payment system. This is mostly due to escalating tensions between Russia and the West. Further, since Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the West has cut off its financial ties with Russia via the SWIFT banking system. Russia is also unable to access its own reserves in international banks because of the sanctions. We all know quite well that under today's illegal restrictions, one of the channels of attack is through settlements, President Putin remarked in response to the news. Furthermore, our banking institutions are well aware of this fact because they are frequently exposed to such activities. A new, more efficient, and secure system for international payments can be built using the technologies of digital currencies and distributed ledgers without the need for banks or the involvement of third parties. During his speech at the conference, President Putin criticized the current banking system. Presently, he said, there is a very high cost associated with transacting business internationally. In addition to characterizing Western sanctions against Russia as unlawful, President Putin placed blame for the astronomical prices at the feet of the financial groups that run international settlements. He also claimed that the West's new weapon and attack point is the international settlements. He further noted that due to their exposure to such tactics, our financial institutions are more aware of this than anyone else. The Bank for International Settlements, BIS, cut off Russian access to its services in March of this year. Russia has now taken a number of pro-crypto measures that bode well for the country's eventual embrace of cryptocurrencies. Also, it's been trying to figure out how to make Bitcoin usage legal there. There hasn't even been much of a start yet, so it's impossible to tell what Russia has in mind. However, financial institutions throughout the globe have started accepting XRP for international transfers. Due to the fact that Ripple was founded in the Bay Area, no one knows if Russia will agree to use this payment method. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about whether or not Russia and other nations can use XRP. It is my sincere desire to read your work. Our time together in this video is now up. In case you found that satisfying, watch the clip and give it a positive rating if you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please subscribe and enable notifications. For the YouTube algorithm, this is a huge benefit. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will help them gain the insight they need to improve their own lives, just as you have. Please spread the word far and wide. Do not miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin aficionado. Don't forget to join us tomorrow as we discuss breaking community.